I messed up the whole drawing, but this is how I fixed it. Welcome to day 13 of my 365 days drawing challenge where I am trying to improve with every single artwork. While coloring, I realized the grid lines were too dark. Even after applying colors, they were still visible. So instead of starting over, I carefully adjusted the tones and layered the colors to fix it as much as I could. It's not perfect, but I gave my best to make it work. And if you're wondering why I'm drawing Surya Dev today, it's because Makar Sankranti is the festival dedicated to him. I also didn't knew that Makar Sankranti is a festival of Surya Dev. After searching a bit, I got to know about it. And now enjoy the time lapse. We will meet again next month with a long video. Until then, keep creating and keep learning. This is Frost Drawing signing off.